So our next question is from GATE 2020 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 1 mark. You can see here the question is given here. In a laboratory experiment, a unit pulse input of tracer is given to an ideal plug flow reactor operating at steady state with the recycle ratio R is equal to 1. The exit age distribution ET of the tracer at the outlet of the reactor is measured. The first 4 pulses observed at T1, T2, T3 and T4 are as shown below. You can see here this is recycle reactor. In addition, use the following data and assumptions. R is defined as ratio of volume of fluid returned to the entrance of the reactor to the volume leaving the system. No reaction occur in the reactor. Ignore any dead volume in the recycle loop. If the space time of the plug flow reactor is tau second, which one of the following is correct? So let's start with the solution. You can see here this is our PFR and this is inlet and this is the recycle stream, and it is actual volumetric flow rate which is entering into the reactor, and this is output. So you can see here R is the volume of a stream returned to the input and upon volume of the stream leaving the reactor, and we can see here leaving the reactor stream is F, right? So you can see here R is equal to this upon F, then we get volume of stream returned to the input will be equal to RF, and if we apply the material balance on this, you will get Fi plus RF. Fi plus RF is equal to F naught. You will get this, right? Fi is equal to F at steady state. You can see here at steady state Fi will be equal to F, right? Then we can see here Fi plus RFi is equal to F naught. We know very well, since it was RF, then instead of F I can write Fi, then I got Fi into R plus 1 is equal to F naught. Then you can see here space time is given as tau is equal to V of PFR upon F naught. Since you can see here we are taking this volumetric flow rate that is actually entering into the PFR, right? So that was the tau space time of the PFR, right? So you can see here instead of F naught I can write Fi into R plus 1, no problem. So we can see here if recycle is 0, then it will be F tau is equal to PFR upon volume of PFR upon Fi, but we know that it is given in this figure that R is equal to 1. If R is equal to 1, then tau will be equals to, at R is equal to 1 you will get tau dash. We will get a new, for a new system we will get tau dash is equal to tau by 2. For first pulse shows at T1 tau by 2, second pulse shows at T2 will be 2 into tau by 2 is equal to tau, and third pulse shows at T3 is equal to 3 times of this, and fourth pulse shows at T4 at 4 times of this. Then from this we get T1 this, T2 this, T3 this and T4 this. From the given options we can see here T1 should be tau by 2, T2 is equal to 2, T3 is equal to 3 tau by 2, T4 is equal to 2 tau. So option B is correct. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel.